Hey, what's the matter? Brady, what'd you do? You're stuck? Are you stuck? Can you not get out? Let me help you get out? Okay, say up. Okay, here we go. Let's get you out. Whoop. There you go. You gonna buckle yourself back in? Oh. You're trying, huh? Can you get it? Hey, why do you want to put yourself in there to get stuck? Oh, you're stuck? Okay. What's the matter? You're stuck?